Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you're looking for a pretty wreath to jazz up your front entryway, I've got one for you. Imagine this, being my door dasher and coming up to my front door with this beautiful wreath there. You'd be so jealous, you'd throw all my food in the front yard, and that is exactly what happened. I'm just kidding. Nobody threw my fruit in the front yard. But look how beautiful this wreath is. I love how beautiful and delicate the hydrangeas look. I love these little lamb's ear. I love the soft colors. It complements my front door and my front porch just beautifully. It has kind of a farmhouse style to it, which I love. The bow is so pretty and so brightly colored. Everything about this just screams elegance. I absolutely love it. You can use this year round. You just take it out of the box that it comes in, you fluff it up a little bit, and you hang it, and it's ready to go. So I got it for my winter door and decorations, but really it is good for all seasons. You can use it indoors or outdoor. I've had it in some bad weather and it stays put on my door and looks brand new still. I love the box that it comes in. This is perfect for storage. I don't know about you, but I've got a wreath for every season, and I love that I have something durable to store it in. This wreath is beautiful. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. It gave my front entryway a little pick-me-up, but that's just my point of view.